Oh, no way.
What? Is that what it is?
OEM body kit question mark?
I don't know what. Does it fit on it? Is this thing on autofocus?
Probably.
No, it's not.
Because no, this has like clips and stuff. I don't think this is for this car.
Probably not.
Okay, let's make it into a wing.
It's a big ducktail on it. You, Walker, you.
Cause when you're near me, everything is right. Nothing I can do is wrong. When you
It's big fucking.
Did you give him I made a bad choice last night. Dude, this thing's fucking sweet, man. I made a bad decision last night. Yeah? $1,000 for this junker. Walker, what is your opinion on this here junker? What is your opinion on this?
Very good. The trains is solid. It's got like no pain.
That's what I'm saying. Walker, you should pop the hood for them. Let's get a hood check.
What's under the hood?
It hasn't been driven since 1998. I know. That's not ideal.
Damn.
It hasn't been driven since 1998, Walker. Not like the ones that go on the battery.
I told you to buy some. You're like, it doesn't even have the keys.
I don't fucking know, man. It's got this thing though.
Yeah, I know.
You can stop flexing on me. This thing is like grandma car.
Is this broken? If not,
What?
I need. Oh, this is hard. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
probably,
Never
man.
mind. Never mind.
Probably. Fucking hell. What is this?
This.
Fucking, cruise control?
Mine has cruise control and it don't got that.
I don't know, mine never had this, but I'm assuming it looks like a cruise. Yeah, it's cruise control.
I bet you it's this.
Well, we haven't even tried to start it, Walker.
No.
I think it'll start, man.
So I guess.
If it does, it's fucking 27 years old.
Off that.
I don't know, man. We have to get a jerry can? I don't know, but this is the $1,000 purchase. Why don't you want them, Walker? Huh? $1,000 for this guy. Shit, eh?
Oh yeah, you got the stupid Canadian car spec with these.
Hey, just don't be a hater, man. Okay, we gotta go look at the Celica real quick. Everybody thinks that the TE72 is my worst rusty car.
Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, you won't pop it.
Well, no, I want to show them this, Walker. So, a new development yesterday. So you see right here on these old Toyotas, there's your trunk pop, and there's supposed to be your gas pop, and it rusted off and snapped. So, not ideal. Not ideal. I don't want to show them it. They don't need to see that.
It's full of sea foam and spray foam.
Fuck you, Walker.
Hey man, stop jacking up the rockers, man.
That's the frame rail, Walker. Are you ready? That's the frame.
I don't know if they can hear it.
That's the fucking frame rail.
I can see it slowly caving in.
That's the frame rail.
That's fine. This
Dog.
car is mint, dude.
Did you see how much it? Wait, let me look. Dude, Walker.
Pass the camera.
It was flat before. Can they even really see?
Holy shit.
Dude, that was fucking flat.
What about this frame rate? This one seems solid, but that one's fucked.
It was flat. Jesus Christ. Take the
Oh, hey, there's the
camera.
carpet.
Yeah, big surprise.
Alright, so we just we had the new spot to drop this thing off. I don't know.
Cops coming down here.
Oh yeah, there's a kind of a cop up the street, but yeah, it's on the trailer. We're gonna throw it into this little spot for now. Yeah, should be hopefully. I don't know. It's pooched, man. I don't know why he bought this thing.
shit, eh?
Yeah.
Should we show him the car where it's at?
Oh, yeah. Had a great interaction with the cop.
Yeah, buddy stopped by and he's like laughing at me for fuck's sakes. Like, that's a good project. What do you mean this is already? Fucking just laughing at me. But he's a chill guy. We got her here. Now we gotta get it running. Running.
Running, yeah, sure. What you got there?
The battery. The battery. Also, this battery's also fucked. And it will die probably after a couple cranks. So.
Go figure.
So hold it to the mat, like make sure it's touching a stud.
Hold up, just wait then. I'm not trying to get shocked. I've seen.
Hold it by the coil, you won't get shocked. It's plastic, you can't get shocked.
Hold up, I ain't trust this. I don't care.
See, then you crank it, I'll hold it.
All right, if you get shocked, I'm gonna laugh.
You don't get shocked, it's a coil, it's plastic.
I've seen too many videos of it happening.
You can't get shocked by plastic.
I don't care. I'm a bitch. I'll say it right now. I'm a bitch.
Okay, go for it, Walker. Yeah. Yeah, there's spark. There is spark. Will this junker start with this? Ready?
Yeah.
Stop cranking? No. What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Lines be looped. There's no hose clamps on it, but it won't leak nearly as much. Try this thing.
Alrighty.
Do you want to spray again? Or
All right.
spray
Let me.
this stuff?
Okay. Yeah. It's because you have to spray in a weird way. Like in there, there's a little kind of flap.
Yeah.
You kind of want to aim at that flap if you can. And it will leak down onto the filter, but whatever.
Alright, where's the brake clean go?
Throttle.
I tried, but. Okay, you ready? Don't touch the throttle, just let me do it. Ready?
Yep.
Does it sound fluff? I don't think so.
No.
Sounds alright.
That's at the start. I'm pretty sure because it had no oil in it. It was clanging.
I think it had oil. It's just when you try and start it with this, lots of times it sounds like a tractor. Like just did it leak a bunch or no? Not really.
Let's see.
She's mint, man. I mean, it'll leak a bit, but
Hey man. I drew that.
yeah, what's going on?
Oh, okay.
So I think that's it. We got to crank and kind of start. Did we film it starting on brake clean?
Didn't you say you were recording when it was on the under the hood?
Oh yeah, kind of. Yeah, I don't know. It's junkered. Good parts car. $1,000. That's it. How bad did that go down? You look at my slash print. Oh, that's a grody.
Damn.
Ew. Alright. We'll come back to you guys in another 4 months.
Consistent upload schedule, baby.
Ready?
It's not flat. Do it on the roof.
Doesn't have to be flat, buddy.